Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about the Bikenda Silicone Denture Set. So is it legit or another scam? So I will go ahead and tell you that this is a scam out of the ratings itself. So when we go to Trustpilot right here, it's not even going to list up us a 3-star, 4-star, or even 5 stars. 1 star is 97% of the reviews. So it's absolutely not what you'll receive. You'll get a lolly toy teeth. This is a scam, avoid at all costs, absolute rubbish, and utter crap. Sellers are scammers, do not purchase. Pity wasn't a zero option. So still haven't even received. So I would already go ahead and tell you this is not even FDA approved and not even approved by dentists that I have asked in the past. So as you can see right here, it claims to give you a new type of teeth, but basically this is just a actual like a toy teeth that you place on your teeth, and it's not going to be aligned with your gums, therefore it's going to deform your teeth even more and lead to more complications. Therefore this is a scam, so don't even try to buy this. I would advise you not to even buy this at all. So there you go. So I won't go any more further than this. So this is just a scam. Basically you will get a jelly tooth, gummy like tooth like this in your package, and that's just basically it. So please do not fall for this. If you have bad teeth, you go to a dentist and not through Amazon and ordering one of these. So it's a scam.